you look into it, India was not growing iceberg lettuce, right? Our customers' demand was for iceberg lettuce. We as a company, we have an agriculture team, we control from the seed import to farmers' best practices to growing iceberg lettuce 12 months and having a sustainable supply chain for our customer. We shred it, we process it. It's called a chilled supply chain. We try to work on technology to improve the shelf life of the product. We try to work with farmers to increase the yield of lettuce in our country. We're trying to find locations where we can grow iceberg lettuce in the country. So we are involved with them in their business model, right? And from the time the planning is done for their growth in the country. You know the egg is as a daily need of a customer. When we started working on this, it took us 3 years to certify a quality egg to be supplied to a customer. That in India, nobody washes egg, right? So if you get egg and you supply to any store, it contaminates your store. So we took this project and we worked on it, and we developed a very sustainable and quality supply chain for egg in the country, and there's no specification for washed egg in the country. So we went back to the government, we tried to convince them these are the standards, how to increase the thickness of the shell of the egg, right? And how we can clean the egg, and how we can coat the egg and increase the shelf life of egg to 45 days under the chilled condition. The important thing, other than supply chain, is important is the quality of the product. The way the industry is developing, the way the food safety is coming in, everybody has to be very careful on going back to track the traceability of the product which we manufacture. The traceability should be known so that corrective action, if there's any problem, a corrective action can be taken care, right? In the supply chain, there is everything is known to us that nobody uses antibiotics or heavy metal and chemicals. Contaminations is not there, so that we can supply safe food to our customers. There's a lot of challenges in this whole supply chain on food safety. It's the response, we give our customer that confidence that he can sleep and he should be focusing for getting more footfall and more customers into their restaurant so that we can take care of their problems at the back end in the supply chain. If you look into the way the FSSAI standards are coming into the country, slowly, these things will be very, very important to be in the food business. The restrictions which government is going to put on safe food for a consumer, it's the challenge everybody has to face, have to go back in investing into the back-end supply chain for their customers. Frozen sector is also very critical for sustainable supply chain. Looking at the inflation, right? Looking at the inflation, the pricing of the products going up, it is the responsibility of a supply chain to know when the raw materials are available, and the planning has to be done so they can process it and keep it for throughout the year. We actually heavily invest on our farming. We know what to grow and what is the requirement for our customers so that they can get a predictable, competitive and sustainable pricing from us throughout the year, so that their business, what they plan, it can be sustainable for them. And for us, our brand is our customer. That's how we work. Because if they are successful as a supply chain company, we are successful. And that's what our experience working with the different QSR. We do work for all the retails. We do retail label packing for a lot of worldwide retail companies. And if you look into it, a lot of people think that we cannot make chicken tikka as it's required for continuously. Our company in UK makes all the chicken tikka for Tesco supplied in UK market. So it can be done because it's a chilled chicken tikka available throughout the year at the shelf. So it's a technology adaptation, what everybody has to think, so that you can cut down the cost, you can get a consistent quality for your business throughout the year. Thank you.